Don't freak out. I know it's really scary to hear words like code and scripts if you aren't a web designer, but if you have to add some to your website, I'm going to show you how to do that in some real easy, simple ways. Whether it's adding scripts for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or something similar to that, it may feel really intimidating, but it's actually not that bad at all. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to add scripts to your WordPress website. Okay, so the first way I'm going to show you to add your scripts is if you have Elementor Pro. There's something in the plugin already in there for you to be able to do this easily. So go to Elementor and then go to Custom Code. And then click this button that says Add New Custom Code. Next, you want to name it something you're going to remember. I'm going to name this one Google Analytics. A lot of you are probably going to be using this for Google Analytics or other Google or Facebook products. So just name it something that makes sense. Next, choose the location where you want to insert it. You have the option of head, the start of the body tag, or the end of the body tag. I'm going to keep mine in head. And then you're going to paste your code here and then click publish. This dialog box pops up, and from here you can decide which pages you want to display the code on your site. This is really useful if you're doing some advanced pay-per-click ad marketing and you really want to track certain pages and certain actions on those pages. For me, I'm okay to include this on the entire site, so I'm going to just hit save and close. But if you have to, you can add a condition and then include or exclude depending on what you need. Okay, so we've got that one all done, but what if you don't have Elementor Pro? In that case, you're going to have to download a different plugin. So go to Plugins, Add New, and then I want you to search for Insert Headers and Footers. And you should see something come up that says Insert Headers and Footers by WP Beginner. Go ahead and install that. And then activate it. And then from here you want to go to Settings and Insert Headers and Footers, excuse me. And with this plugin, you're just going to paste your code in whatever section here it needs to go in. So header scripts go here. These scripts are going to be in the beginning of the head section. Body scripts go here. These will be printed just below the opening body tag. Body scripts go here. These go right below the opening body tag. And for scripts in the footer, these scripts go above the closing body tag. So go ahead and paste your script wherever you need it to go. And then don't forget to hit save. The last thing I want to show you is how to add your scripts directly to your theme files. I do want to say this is not super recommended, especially if you're not comfortable working with code. If you are doing this, it is very important that you have a child theme installed, and you still need to make sure that you're not going to accidentally overwrite this when you update your theme. I would suggest if you're deciding to add your scripts in this way, you make a backup of your site first so you can easily roll back if something gets messed up. Okay, so now that that disclaimer is done, go ahead and go to Appearance and then Theme File Editor. You see WordPress also warned you here. It's really important that you're very careful when you're editing your theme files directly. If your site is backed up and you do want to continue, go ahead and click the I understand button. Now, if you're working with a child theme, you need to go into your file manager and copy the pages you're going to be working on from the parent theme to your child theme. I'm not going to be doing all that here because I'm just showing you what to do. So I am going to go into my Astra parent theme to show you where things are. But again, you don't want to edit your parent theme files directly. First, I'm going to show you the header file. And if you wanted to add a script to the head tags, you would look here and find this. This is your beginning of your head tag, and this is your end of your head tag. And depending on the instructions of where your script would be, you would just add it right in there. But again, Make sure you have this file copied to your child theme before you make any changes, and you make any changes on that child theme file. I'm probably going to say this over and over again because it's very, very important. So this is right after the start of the head tag. This is right before the end of the head tag would be there. The body tag is right here. So if you need to put anything immediately after the opening body tag, it would go there. And then for end of body tags, you're going to be editing footer PHP. And notice I didn't save there. You're going to have to hit update file when you're done to save. I'm not editing these files, so I'm not saving them, but you do have to save them when you're finished working on them. So you see here, footer PHP, the end body tag is right there. So if you need to add something before the end body tag, you would put it right there. And then you would hit update file. Again, do it on your child theme. Make sure you're backed up. And there you go. You have 3 simple options to add scripts to your WordPress website. If I was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. If you're building your own website, I do have a freebie download in the description. It's a 9-step website roadmap to DIY your first website, and it'll tell you everything you need to do from start to finish to build your website. Thank you so much for watching.